This is Jane here, and this is my first video, and I hope you guys like it.
And I am the cameraman, and I am Jackson. I am her helper. I also will have a new YouTube channel tomorrow, which will be called Jackson Plays.
And mine is
And in the link in the description below, I think Jane might have it in the link in the description below. If she doesn't, she probably won't have anything because she just started. She probably won't have anything because she doesn't know how to put stuff in the link in the description. But I don't know. Just watch my channel. I do toy stuff and like unboxing toys. Don't do any like toy reviews like her, like this stuff. But I do unboxing toys. And I do gameplays. If you guys like that stuff, definitely check out my channel. And now into Jane's thing.
Yep. And also these toys are lined up in the bed and all of their devices and stuff.
Okay, so let me back up the camera. In the chair.
No, I'm not. Oh, good morning, sun. I wanna do my computer. I'm doing my computer. Why does she always have to name me like Rosie? Like, oh my God, my name's Rose, not Rosie. Oh my God, that's so stupid name. Like, oh my God, Rapunzel, why did you name me that? Oh, sorry. Rose. Well, this is Rosie Puff's channel. I know, but her name's Jane, like, oh my God. But this is Rosie Puff, and this is channel. I watch TV.
Oh, there's nothing on. Let's play the computer.
I'm just gonna press one on my phone. Oh yeah.
I'll move it so I don't know. So I can see the horses when I'm playing.
Yeah, that's so cool. I love that.
I'm gonna play Pac-Man.
Bye, see you later.
Oh, I lost.
Why does this freaky bear try to keep eating me? Oh my God, why does he keep eating me?
Oh, I lost again.
I got the bear! I got the bear!
Are you playing Five Nights at Freddy's?
Yeah. He's trying to
Seriously? I can play that. That's Five Nights at Freddy's too, silly.
Bum, 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 bum.
Five Nights at Freddy's too.
He just walked away. Oh my God, I lose again!
You walked away. No, I didn't want the music box.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh my God, that's my phone. Oh yeah. I love that. I'm so sorry. I know you're sick.
I'll fix that.
So ruining this video. I know, yeah, but bye. See you later. I'm gonna play the tablet. The reminiscence.
next video is going to be part 2 of the morning. And yes, it is me talking. It's going to be part 2, the morning, next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Good video.
We'll see you next
Please
video.
subscribe. Please like the video.
I hope you like the video.
And
Subscribe.
yeah, subscribe, like the video, and thumbs up the video, which is like.
I hope you saw that video where we build stuff.
If you comment stuff below, and if you like do comments for stuff for us and stuff and you give us gifts, we'll probably like give you something back. Like if you do like something in the chat, we'll probably chat you something back and say like thank you or something. But if you like give us something, we might actually like give you like a free iPhone or something. But they might not work so well, but at least you get one. It's pretty cool. Well, it might not be a free iPhone, but we're definitely going to give you something if you give us something.
Yes,
So,
yes, it is us talking.
Yes, not the toys. So, bye.